Hello everyone, welcome back. If you are stuck with Windows Update error 0xc1900204, whether you're on Windows 11 or Windows 10, you're not alone. This error usually pops up when your system is missing something critical or is blocking the update process. But don't worry, in this video I am going to walk you through multiple solutions step by step until your update finally goes through. Let's start with the most common cause. Your system components or update cache might be corrupted. So step 1 is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Click on Start, then go to Settings, scroll down to Troubleshoot, and select Other Troubleshooters. From there, run the one labeled Windows Update. Let it finish scanning and apply any fixes it suggests. If you're on Windows 10, it's a similar process. Just search for Troubleshoot Settings from the Start menu. This might fix things on its own. If not, let's go deeper. Step 2, reset the Windows Update components manually. Open Command Prompt as Administrator. Just search for CMD, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Now type the following commands one by one, pressing Enter after each. First run net stop WUA user V, and next run the command net stop bits. And then you can run the command net stop cryptis VC, then go to this location C, Windows, Software Distribution, and delete everything inside. And then restart the services by running net start WUA user V, and after that run the command net start cryptis VC. This command stops the update services, deletes the corrupted files, and then restarts everything fresh. Now go ahead and try to update. Again, still no luck. Let's move on to step 3. Use the DISM and SFC tools. These tools will repair your Windows system files and the image used for updates. Again, in the administrator command prompt, run this first DISM/online/cleanup image/restore health. This will take a few minutes. Don't close the window, just let it run. When that's done, type SFC/scanout. This will check for any corrupted or missing system files and replace them. Once those tools complete, restart your PC and try the update again. Now step 4, check your regional settings. Yes, I know it sounds random, but many users have reported this helps with the error. Go to Settings, Time and Language, Language and Region. Make sure your region is set correctly, for example, United States or wherever you're actually located. Also, double check that the language is set to English or your primary language. Misconfigured region settings can sometimes cause the update to fail silently in the background. Step 5, free up space on your system drive. Windows needs plenty of space to download and install updates. Ideally, at least 20 gigabytes free. So clean up your system by deleting temporary files. Just type disk cleanup in the search bar, right-click, and run it as administrator. Select your system drive, usually C, and check options like Windows Update Cleanup, temporary files, recycle bin, and previous Windows installation if available. Click OK and wait for cleanup to finish. Then restart and try updating again. Alright, step 6. Uninstall third-party antivirus or firewall software. Sometimes security tools block Windows updates even if they are not showing any alerts. So temporarily disable or uninstall any third-party antivirus. Don't worry, Windows Defender will keep you protected in the meantime. Once you have done that, restart your computer and check for updates. If you're still stuck, don't give up. Step 7, download the update manually from the Microsoft Update Catalog. Search for Catalog Microsoft. Then search for the KB number of the update that's failing. You can find that by going to Windows Update History. Once you find the correct version for your system, either x64 or ARM, depending on your machine, download the file, run it, and install it manually. This skips the Windows Update mechanism completely, which often avoids the error. And that's it. This was a full guide to fixing Windows Update error 0xc1900204. And in most cases, one of these methods will work. If it did, drop a comment below letting me know which fix helped you, and give the video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more simple and effective tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.